part of the cable to connect to this. Fits in nice. Yeah, I don't want to run that. All right, let's see if this thing works. So what I did was I took the drive shaft out of this, took off the throttle connection, and now what we're going to do is, I don't know if you can see down there or not, there's a square hole that the, there it is, that the cable tucked into. So we're going to use the part of the cable to connect to this water pump that I got over here, and we're going to connect it by putting this little compression pin on one end and the cable into the other once I cut it to length, and then we should have a functioning gas powered water pump. Well, we'll see. Let's see. Put a couple lines on this so I can just see the depth. Poor man's gauge feeler. Yeah, okay, so it looks like it's the last one, so I'm going to say it's about an inch. Yeah, close enough. About an inch deep. So that's an inch deep. This is about 2 1/4 out, so that's 3 1/4 inches long. Pump is going to measure about to the drive shaft itself is about 1.5 inches. See that there? About 1.5 inches. So with this entire piece, we are at almost 2 3/4 inches. Right? 2 3/4, I'd say. And our total depth is, with from here to top, is 2 1/4. It's about 2 1/2. So this should, it's a little long. It's a little long. So I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut this right about there. That'll give us enough to put the cable into and tuck this in nicely into our pump. This is going to go in there. I think that'll work. Well, that fits in nice. Oh yeah, we'll clamp that right down. Well, let's see if it pumps anything. All right, let's see if this thing works. Throw it away. I got a, you know, an old pump laying around, piece of hose, and you make a little stand for this thing, and you got yourself a portable water pump that you can you know, pump water out when you don't have electricity for an electric pump, or you don't want to bring a big you know, trash pump or something like that out there that's gas powered. And every once in a while, when we're out on a project or something, we'll have a pond or something we'll need. Fill a couple 5-gallon pails of water or something, and rather than throwing the bucket out into the pond, just fire this thing up and away you go. I think there's a lot of uses for it. I think it's pretty cool. So let's go make a stand for this thing. Looks pretty good. Let's just screw it together. Throttle cable off, but it's got a little handle to carry it. Look at that. Little platform to keep it steady. Not the best platform in the world, but yeah, it's a scrap piece of that laying around. Pumps on, see if it starts. Choke it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't want to run that dry. Burn it out, and I'll have to put another one on there. Well, this one's kind of beat up anyway. I probably should get another one on there. So yeah, I think that's pretty much done. Could be. Yeah, I could use pop rivets in here, but I don't have any pop rivets. This is like This is like a little project just to do with stuff you got laying around. So maybe I'll make a new one at some point. I just want to get something together and see how it looks. Get the idea. That's kind of cool. Make something out of somebody's throwaway. So maybe I'll get some video later on. This thing actually pumping some water for us. But hey, if you like the videos, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Tell your friends so we can kind of grow the channel, get you more content. And yeah, I think that's it. So we'll see you next time.